Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, concern about an alarming trend in lottery scamming. The police in St. James say the illegal practice is being taken over by teens, specifically males, while a growing number of females are also involved.
The St. James Anti-Lottery Scamming Task Force is now working on a solution to discourage teens from the practice. Kimberly Petty reports.
Teenage boys are now swapping their books for lead sheets, as many are looking for an easy means of making money. And according to Deputy Superintendent of Police Dave Brown, officer in charge of the Area 1 Anti-Lottery Scam Unit, females are now joining their spouses who are lottery scammers. DSP Brown made the revelation in an interview with TVJ News.
Last week, we went to the community of Westgate Hills, where we arrested 4 persons. Out of that, those 4 persons, 2 were females, and young females, 20 years old, etc. In Trelawney also, we found that females were actively involved in those activities.
As for the teenage boys,
what we are seeing is that these kids are no longer motivated to go to school to get a solid education, or to really learn a skill for which they can develop and contribute in a positive way to the development of our country.
He further pointed to a recent operation in Trelawney.
And we found a 17-year-old that was of school age, still attending school, that was actively participating in lottery scamming. He was found with a number of lead sheets and other paraphernalias. He was also in the company of another 20-year-old, as well as a child who was said to be under the age of 18 years old.
DSP Brown believes all hope is not lost, as the police intends on developing interventions to sway young people from a life of crime.
It is a fast life. It comes with a lot of bling in terms of the flashy new cars, the BMWs, the Benz, so kids who are not under the proper guidance are really drawn to these sort of activities, So we need to really see if we can steer them towards a more ethical and moral way of earning a living.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.